Leaving after 3.5 hours, got stuck heavily inside the rain, so that's why can't able to go. It's almost 6:20, I think. So it's totally moody weather. It's heavy rain actually. See the colorful lightings and the beautiful view of the Exchange TRX. So it's getting dark early itself today due to the rain weather, or else I admit after 7 only they put the light usually. See, so we have to go to the Pavilion KL and the next to our hotel. So before that, just we take a small garden video for a peaceful walk. I hope you're enjoying the view. So steps walk is good for health actually. So nice. Really to this weather, I love this way. Pleasant weather. It's always good. See the lightings in the building. So nice actually. Okay, let's go back to the street walk. Finally we completed the TRX2. So straight, see the bridge at Times Square and behind the Menara Tower. So this is the wheelchair entry, I think. Those who are hard to climb stairs, we can use this especially for going on the slope. It's easy to move on. So the lightings look so nice actually. Once again, the water, see, it's nice actually. From the fountain till the end, again it's back to the fountain, rotation this. Okay, bye bye TRX. So in between they added the light colorfully. It's changing to the colors. Good. The Plan B cafes now look so nice actually. Beautiful, actually looks so nice on the pleasant evening weather. See inside, so nice actually. First time I'm seeing. Let's go back to the restaurant is kind of Safrin. It's like a nasi type. See the lights under the stairs. This is my staying area also. This hotel is having. Sorry, this restaurant. It's a budget restaurant. See the light is. That comes to the end of the TRX. So one of the biggest place. So we have to cross the road. To wait for some time. Be patient while crossing the road, don't be rushed. Back side is it? That's the Green Brothers. Once I put video, I hope you remember. Green Brothers. No, it's some other shop, I think. It's not Green Brothers, sorry. Tarpush, yeah, it's not Green Brothers. Green Brothers on Pavilion. So, drizzling, still it's drizzling here. So beautiful. There is the Bean Brother shop. Good coffee here also. Merida cars swipes already starts here. There's the Pavilion. We'll go soon for a big walk on the Pavilion KL from Pavilion get connection. So evening crowd as usual, heavy. Let's go to the